So today I'm going to be showing you a bot I made for PokeMMO. If you don't know what PokeMMO is, it's literally just a Pokemon emulator. It's got a bunch of different regions. But yeah, so basically getting XP in this game is heinous. So I made a bot that allows you to take you through this whole healing process of healing up your Pokemon, and then you gotta wait a sec, and then you come down here, and it'll bring you over to this little lake area. And a lot of people use this spot for XP farming just because you can use hordes, Sweet Scent here to get hordes, and then you get a lot more XP than just fighting one Pokemon at a time. And then what it'll do is it'll battle through all of these Pokemon until this Sweet Scent PP is all run out. And then it'll teleport you back to the Poke Center and it'll heal you up again and repeat the process. I have three main functions. The first is a series of inputs that make you go through the Poke Center healing phase. And then after it's done that, it'll walk you out of the Poke Center. And then once that's complete, then we have go to waterfall, which again, it's just a series of inputs that takes you to the waterfall. And then after that, you have the farm stage where it loops through this and it'll take you through the XP farming. So as you can see, I inputted a lot of rands into this, randoms. Basically, I just wrote a little function that randomizes a number between whatever you give it, and then adds a different decimal expansion to it, just to try and avoid the bot detection. I don't know if that actually works that well, but it's just a little safety precaution I added in, so that all of the inputs are exactly the same every single time. So hopefully that helps a little bit, but I'm not too sure. So I'm going to run through this, and then you'll be able to kind of watch what the bot does and see it work firsthand. So what I'm doing at this point is just left clicking over and over again, or what the bot's doing is left clicking over and over again. And PokeMMO has implemented something with the Poke Center where the dialogue that you have to click through basically changes between 8 and 9 times, so I guess try and prevent botting. But what I did was just add a few extra clicks to ensure that no matter what, it'll always get through either, at the very least 10 clicks, just to be safe. And then it brings you towards the waterfall, uses Sweet Scent, and then it waits 13 seconds or something. And it runs you through this, and then just repeats the process over and over. So I'll fast forward through this, and then once it's done the 6 Sweet Scents that I can do before running out of PP. yeah, so once we're done all the sweet scents, then it uses teleport, which is queued to one of the hotbar items, and then brings you back to the Poke Center. So after that, what you could do is just like essentially run this on a while true loop, and it would just like do it over and over and over again. It works pretty well, and overall didn't take me too long to write out, maybe like an hour, just to get the timings and everything down. Pretty much about it. Just a little recap. What the script does is it brings you out to the Poke Center, walks towards the waterfall, makes you jump in the waterfall and start the encounters, loops through all of that, and then at the end of it, you press 2, which will be binded to teleport, and it'll bring you back to the Poke Center, and then you can repeat the process. So like you could run this on a while true loop, and it would do it over and over. So that is an easy way to grind XP. This is, well, 1 equals 1. This can be applied to like pretty much any game that you play on your computer or your laptop. This took me about an hour to make, just because of like getting all the timing set up for the inputs and all of that. But if you guys also want this bot to PokeMMO, I'll copy paste the code down in the description, so feel free to use that at your own leisure. Besides that, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bot responsibly. You might get banned if your movements are too repetitive. That's kind of why I added this like random thing in there. But yep, if you guys want another video, please leave a like. Helps me know that you guys actually enjoyed. And besides that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day.